Good morning, students. So we have discussed the compiled questions of cash flow statement, in which there are all the activities: operating, investing, financing. Now let's discuss some of the questions individually. Okay, here you can see cash flow from operating activities. That's only you need to prepare. This type of question can also be asked in board exams. So you need to prepare this chapter in both the ways. Okay, individually each and every concept should be clear, so that if questions would be asked individual activities or compiled one, you can easily solve. Here I am reading out question number 12. Calculate cash flow from operating activities from the following details. We have surplus, trade receivables, provision for depreciation, inventories, outstanding rent, goodwill, prepaid insurance, last is trade payable, that is creditors. First step, as you all know, we need to take surplus closing minus opening. So here it is 80,000 minus 60,000, balance is 20,000. Now nothing is mentioned to calculate net profit before tax. Next step would be you will add all your non-cash and non-operating expenses. For that you have depreciation here. Provision for depreciation is given. So you will find out the difference of these two. Okay, 40,000 less 30,000. That is 10,000 is our depreciation, which we will add. Now see goodwill. Goodwill has been decreasing. Okay, the value of goodwill is reduced. So it will come under the category of non-cash expense. You will write goodwill amortized 8,000. Alright. Then we see our current assets and current liabilities. You will add decrease in current asset and increase in current liabilities. Here we have trade receivable from 31,000. It has been decreased to 25,000. 6,000 you will add because it is decreasing. Inventories. See inventories क्या हो रहा है? From 60,000 it has been increased to 80,000. Increase in current asset we are going to subtract. Outstanding rent from 21,000 to 12,000. Decrease in current liability you will subtract. Prepaid insurance from 2,000 it has been decreased to 1,000. It is current asset and decrease in current asset will be added. Creditors decrease हो रहे हैं, so you will subtract the amount. Okay, just keep in mind, decrease in current asset and increase in current liability you will add, and vice versa will be subtracted. See here I have solved the same. 80,000 minus 60,000, 20,000 is the profit. Add non-cash and non-operating expenses. Under that we have depreciation of 10,000 and goodwill amortize 8,000. Here we are writing all the net effect. Alright. Then you will add decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities. Under that trade receivable decrease हो रहा है by ₹6,000 and prepaid insurance by ₹1,000. You will add this amount. Less increase in current asset, decrease in current liability. Inventories increase हो रही है, you will subtract in the same manner. Outstanding rent and trade payable decrease हो रहा है, that's why we have subtracted. Now total 38,000 plus 6,000 plus 1,000 is 45,000 less 20 plus 9 plus 6 means 35,000. 45,000 minus 35,000, answer is 10,000. You will write cash flow from operating activities. Okay, so this was the individual activity question. You need to practice this type of questions as well.